boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and give a big Legoland welcome for your storyteller.
Oh, hello everyone! Oh, thank you. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the Duplo Valley Theatre. My name is Kelly and I'm your storyteller. Now, boys and girls and grown-ups too, I've a tale to tell that's just for you. It's set in a village far, far away, and all begins on a bright sunny day. But about the weather I mustn't start rambling and begin the story of the Pied Piper of Hamelin. Now Hamelin was ruled by a stubborn and greedy Lord Mayor.
Greedy? I'm not greedy. Just careful with me money. Good day to you all.
The Lord Mayor lived in Hamelin Hall with his beautiful daughter Priscilla. Hello! And Priscilla's scruffy old pet dog Shep. Get down, Shep! Now, once a month the villagers made their way to Hamelin Hall to pay the Lord Mayor the money they had earned in their harvest. That is until one fateful day.
Just look at the time, Priscilla. Today's the day of the great harvest and still no sign of those lazy, good-for-nothing villagers.
Give them time, Father. They've never been late before.
But I want my money.
All of a sudden, there was a very loud knock at the door.
Mr. Mayor, sire, you must help us. A terrible thing is happening in the town of Hamelin.
Terrible thing? What are you talking about? Where's me money?
But you're right, honourableness, sire. This terrible thing is a plague. A plague! Our harvest is ruined.
Now try and calm yourself, villager, and tell us what it is that you have seen.
It's an invasion of a vile and horrible creature. It's hundreds and thousands of rats.
Rats? Yes, indeed. My friends, it's true. The whole village was overrun with rats. They scuttled up and down the streets, in and out of houses, frightening all the people. But there was one rat more fearsome than any of the others, the one who ruled the pack. May I introduce the meanest, the nastiest, the legendary King Rat! Oh, come on everybody, boo!
Boo all you like, it won't change a thing. For I am a rat, a great rat, the king. My rats, they bring panic, chaos and fear, and the root of our evil will soon become clear.
Oh, the rats caused havoc in the village, and day after day, although many tried, no one could get rid of those pesky creatures. Father, there are rats everywhere. You have to do something.
Yes, it's all well and good saying I have to do something, but do what?
So, Priscilla and her father tried desperately hard to think of a plan. Eventually...
By Jove, I've got it. I'll offer a reward.
A reward?
Yes, of course. Now, why ever didn't I think of that before?
And so the Lord Mayor decided to offer the reward of 1 bag of gold coins and the hand of his daughter Priscilla in marriage. Now, hang on a minute. Oh.
It's tradition, dear. Go with it. Carry on.
Right, thank you. To the person who will rid the town of Hamelin from this terrible plague of rats. Oh, not again.
No man will rid this town of rats, nor will any mangy cats. My rats will rule, just watch you'll see, and Mayor of Hamelin, then I'll be.
You spread far and wide telling of the Lord Mayor's reward, and on the outskirts of town, it finally reached a cosy little Airbnb that was owned by a young musician by the name of Elvis.
Thank you very much.
Now, Elvis was a great musician who spent many days composing tunes on his pipes. But when he heard...
Excuse me. I don't play the pipes, only the guitar.
Oh, the guitar. Oh, say, the guitar. As soon as Elvis heard about the reward, he immediately began the long walk to Hamelin Hall.
Good day to you, Mr. Mayor, sir. I've come to claim my reward.
Reward? But the town is still full of rats. What's your name, boy?
It's Elvis, Dad. The talented musician from the other side of town.
I've never seen you in Hamelin before.
Ah, well, since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. It's down at the end of Lonely Street at
Heartbreak Hotel?
Oh, well, you know it. Well, Mr. Mayor, sir, I'm here to rid your town of rats, and then I'll be back to claim my reward.
My hero.
And how, exactly, are you going to do that?
I'm sorry, Mr. Mayor, sir. That's a secret. But I guarantee that by sunset tomorrow, Hamelin will be a rat-free zone.
Very well. If it is as you say, then I'll meet you here at sunset tomorrow and you may claim your reward.
Thank you very much.
And so Elvis returned back to his home very happy indeed. However, he was unaware that the greedy Lord Mayor had no intentions of paying out a reward and that all of his efforts would be in vain. As the next day dawned, Elvis made his way to the deserted town of Hamelin.
Boy, you don't scare me with talk of secrets I'll not flee. The rats will rule in Hamelin town from now until the sun goes down.
Oh,
Mr. Rat, sir, that's where you're wrong.
And at that moment, Elvis began to play a haunting melody on his guitar, and the rats were entranced by the music. They began to follow Elvis all the way through the village, heading straight towards the river. Nice one, Elvis!
This music has a strange new beat. It controls my body, my tail, my feet. I don't want to go, yet can't help but move. I just have to follow this funky new groove.
And as the music played, Elvis led the rats and their king far, far away from town, never to be seen again. Hooray!
Now claim my reward.
Rejoice, rejoice, my dear Priscilla. Hamelin is once again free from rats.
All thanks to Elvis, my very own pop idol.
Ah, Elvis, my boy. We can't thank you enough. Now be on your way. I have important business to attend to.
But, Mr. Mayor, sir, what about my reward and the date for the wedding?
Yes, Father, you did promise, didn't he, boys and girls?
Yes.
Don't be ridiculous. How could a poor musician like you ever marry the daughter of the Lord Mayor? It's preposterous. Now shoot. I don't owe you a thing.
But Father...
Come along now, Priscilla. I'll hear no more about it.
Oh, poor Elvis. He was very upset by the Lord Mayor's deceit. He didn't care about the gold, but he did want to marry Priscilla. So Elvis decided to teach the Lord Mayor a lesson and once more began to play. And one by one, all the pets in Hamelin, the dogs and the parrots and the goldfish, began to follow Elvis to the outskirts of town.
Father, come quick! Elvis is leading all the pets of Hamelin out of town, and with them is my pet dog, Old Shep. You must do something.
Who cares about Shep? He ain't nothing but a hound dog, just howling all the time. Anyway, what could I possibly do?
Elvis was getting further and further away from Hamelin Hall, nearing the town's borders with every stride.
Father, please. If only you would give Elvis my hand in marriage, and then we could all live happily ever after. What do you think, boys and girls? Should I marry Elvis?
Should she? Yay!
Oh, for goodness sake, stop this nonsense. You may have the hand of my daughter in marriage, and I hope that you live happily ever after.
Oh, and as soon as Elvis stopped his bewitching tune, all the pets of Hamelin returned to their rightful owners. Hooray! Did you all enjoy the